Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Leonard, Medical Director at Capillus. You did a great thing by buying a Capillus cap. Now you have to use it properly. One thing that a lot of people don't realize is that hair loss is a progressive condition. And if it's untreated, it will get worse and worse and worse. Your hair will get thinner and thinner and potentially bald. By using the Capillus cap and really using it 6 minutes a day, you've begun to stop your hair from falling out in the future. I want to tell you a couple things about what you should do now that you bought your Capillus cap. Once you receive the device, also charge it. Charge it before you use it the first time. Afterward, you need to put the Capillus cap on your head before you activate it, before you turn it on, because it won't work if it's not on your head. In fact, that's a safety measure. We don't want lasers flashing around the room. Only when they're on your head will the device work. So when you get your cap, you'll be putting it on your head, you'll turn it on, and you have to do that every day, but it's only 6 minutes long. So take the time to enjoy what you invested in to treat your hair loss. Take the time to use your Capillus every day for 6 minutes. The other thing that's important about this is you have to be patient. All good things in life take time. It's important to know that it takes about 3 months for you to begin to recognize any benefit from the Capillus cap. In the first 3 months, you may notice less hair fallout, but not always. But from 3 to 6 months, you should see less hair in the drain, less in your brush, less on your clothes, and that's very exciting. It's nice to begin to see some change. And from month 6 to month 12, you may see growth. You may see a fuller appearance. Other people may comment on your hair saying, geez, your hair looks different. It looks thicker. After month 12, we begin to see more fullness and more growth. So again, it's very important to be patient. It takes several months to see a result from using your Capillus cap, but it will come. Another important thing about using a Capillus cap is actually using it. So the device is worn only 6 minutes a day, but if you leave it at your bedside stand and not put it on your head and turn it on and wear it, you're not going to get any benefit. So compliance is important, particularly in the first 6 months of use. 6 minutes of treatment every day of the week, and you'll head toward a fuller, thicker head of hair. One other thing I recommend that people do when they buy a cap is to take pictures before you begin to use it, and then take pictures on 3-month intervals thereafter. We forget very often what our hair loss was like, and changes are subtle. This is not a full, thick head of hair growing overnight. The main benefit of the Capillus cap is to stop further progression of your hair loss and also potentially regrow hair. So you can follow photographically every 3 months what your scalp looks like, and you'll be surprised very often at 1 year how much more hair you have than before you begin using the Capillus cap. If you have any questions about your Capillus cap, please contact us at our 800 number or visit us at capillus.com/support. We here at Capillus are here to help you.